gathering her followers in a Fortnite game.
I mean, I think you guys are sweat, but you all should be together, you know? Oh my god. They're just pushing the lobby. I can finish them, but you guys kill them. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. 116. I can't keep up with you guys. Oh my god, you guys are good. I'm just so amazed.